Welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Got a little auction snag. Got a little red Waterloo, almost like a plumber's box. Uh, some odd bits and pieces in it. Not 100% sure whether I got anything that was worth keeping or I just thought the Waterloo box was pretty cool. Gonna be a short intro because ain't much to say about it. If you want to hang out, let's go check it out. Welcome back to the cave. Here's the Waterloo little box. I said, reminds me of the old plumber's boxes because it's short, flat, and don't need to tag from the auction house. Let's see what we got. Inside's nice. Like it rarely got used on the inside. Outside, I could probably make it look a little bit better. Oh, there we go. Good old Black & Decker auto wrench. May have to take it apart, see how bad the battery compartment is. One of the gimmick tools. Some old swing line staples. I don't know the last time I've seen a box with that design on it. I was more chasing the box than anything. Yeah, these probably dry rotted. Well, bent. Probably send them to the junker. That's not bad. Don't know what it'd be used for. I ain't got nothing that would use it. Besides, it's also got a wing nut and everything else. I'll find a purpose for it. None of the saws I have, none of the tracks will operate it. Idea. If I recess it, I'll be able to do some. Yeah, I've got some silly ideas. Got some scissors. These are Wiss inlaid. So usually with Wiss, I'm looking at 10 snips. I could use a nice little tidying up. They still, I don't see any major, other than age. I'm not seeing a whole lot of damage to them. I like them. We got, geez, everybody knows I ain't got the smallest hands, but good grief, that's a pair. These are number 3154s, Klaus USA. These almost more look like upholstery type scissors because of the length. These are in really good shape too. Just a little sticky and gummed up from age and everything else. Don't feel any major gouges or dings in it. Those are cool. Little pry bar. Cleaned up, blew it. Thought it was the rest of them I got. Arrow T50. Nope. Nothing in it, but at least it's not all gummed up, corroded. I already got a couple of these. Always use it. Works for me. One very used and neglected ball peen. It's a big one too. I'm not sure I have one that big. Just interested in why it's got holes going through the sides. Unless somebody needed to pin it for some reason. Probably tear it apart, rebuild it, Put a new handle on it. Who knows? Yeah, it's got a whole lot of wobble. May try to get the pin out. See if I can shave it down a little bit. Get it in. Repin it. That'll be a project for sure. So, like I said, wasn't a big one. It was a little one. But the inside of the box is in really good shape. Plastic handle. I could probably tidy up the rest of it. But for a little bit, I thought it was worth it because I wanted the box. Let's check, see if I can dig into this and get this working right. Well, we're going to put this, my little works screwdriver together. So it's got a two-step. Hit the button once, short burst. Hit the button again, short burst. Hit the button third time, continues to pull it out. Don't know if it's supposed to do that, but if it does, that's not too bad, because that'll at least give it a little bit of pop to try to break something loose. AAA batteries. Well, you would think out here in the garage I'd have a ton of batteries, but I don't. So I'm going to put you on pause. Okay, I'm back. I found 2 batteries. We'll see if it works, doesn't work, or whatever it is doing. But for a little $12 kit, not bad. More than happy with it. Dealing with electronics, a small little definitely ain't gonna do it to power in, because it works. And it still keeps chugging. Slow as can be. Don't know if you saw it or not. Sorry. I was playing with it myself and not thinking about the camera. So zoom it in. See the wheel stop. Got a little slap in the jaw. Or for a little gimmicky thing, something that was catered to the home user. I'm good with it. I like this silly little gimmicky stuff, as you can tell, because I'm still playing with it. So, in the grand scheme of the planet, is it a go-to? Definitely not. Is it a fun thing to have around the toolbox? Yeah, like a lot of the other cheesy, gimmicky stuff. But sorry about prattling. Having a good day. Everybody be safe. Have fun. Good luck on the hunt for cool tools. If you like it, come back. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody that subscribes and does watch and leaves comments.